Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm opening up door number 23 of the Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. Let's see what's inside. More dies. Awesome. Looks like there's some sentiment dies. Let's see what they say. I think it says thank you. Sweet. Thank you. It does say thank you. Perfect. Again, I love the font. This is that font that goes with the happy birthday. It goes with the outline. I think these are technically called outline sentiments, but this must be called outline sentiment thank you and outline sentiment happy birthday, because other fonts or other dies that have this font, I mean, there is an outline. So here's the outline. Goodness. Here's the outline, here's the sentiment, so they must be called something like outline sentiments based on previous products from Spellbinders, but thank you is always a good die to have on hand, so that's perfect. Honestly, I'm very surprised at this advent calendar because I wasn't quite sure what to expect besides the pictures on the back. But I kind of like that not everything and every door is Christmas related, because you can use a lot of these things throughout the year, which is kind of fun. So now you can come on back for day number 24 and I will open up my last door of my advent calendar and we'll see what's inside that door. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And now that it is day 23, I'd like to know, have you unboxed your advent calendar yet? Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for day 24. Bye!